Hey there. I am going to show you how to check your child's grades. Today we just wrapped up Module 5 in math, and this is a good time to check in with your child, see what they've turned in, see if they have any missing assignments, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do that. So, the screen that I'm sharing right now is what your child's iPad screen looks like when they open up Canvas. So for this example, I'm going to show you how to check what they're doing in math. So to the left is their dashboard. You can see that they are turning things into ELA, so their literacy assignments and their math assignments. For this, I'm just going to show you math to make it quick and simple. So you can have them open up math. And you can see their individual assignments. Modules are where we have everything listed. But for this, I want you to check out their grades. And for this, it'll list everything that has been assigned so far. For this, you can see what they've submitted assignments to, and if it's been submitted, it has been scored. So for example, you can see for this assignment, this student has not submitted their lesson uh, 5 for module 5. And you can see it's not submitted and there's no score. But as you scroll down the left side, you can see, okay, that has been submitted and the score. For example, if you get to an assignment and you see that the score is low, the student can click on that, see what was missed, see if there was any corrective feedback, and then resubmit that for a higher score. As you scroll down, we just took the Module 5 quiz on quadrilaterals to wrap up Module 5 so you can see how your student has scored on that. So the main point of this is a good check-in time to see how your child has performed throughout this module. And if there's any key concepts that they've missed, they can click on those assignments to see what exactly they're not getting from that lesson or from this module. If there's something they're really stuck on, they can pop into a Zoom meeting with me and we can work through that assignment. But this is just for transparency so you can see what your child has been submitting and um, what they've been consistently scoring. So this is a good time to have your child launch Canvas on their iPad and you can check out what they've been doing. This example was for math, but you can have them do the same thing for English language arts just to check in and see if maybe they have a missing assignment or celebrate their successes so far in this remote learning process. I really appreciate all your help with this. Thanks for your time.